How do abalone shells form? Have you ever wondered how the beautiful shells of abalone are created? These fascinating marine creatures have a unique way of forming their protective shells, and it all starts with a special tissue called the mantle. The mantle is a thin layer that covers the abalone's body and plays a vital role in shell growth. The process begins when the mantle secretes a thin, transparent protein layer known as the periostracum. This layer acts as the outermost surface of the shell, providing protection from the environment. Beneath this layer, there is a small space called the extrapallial space. Here, mantle cells work hard to secrete calcium ions, bicarbonate ions, and specific proteins. These materials combine chemically to produce calcium carbonate, which is the main mineral that makes up the shell. The calcium carbonate forms microscopic crystalline plates called aragonite. These plates are arranged in a layered pattern, where the aragonite crystals act like bricks and the proteins serve as the mortar. This structure gives the abalone shell its remarkable toughness, allowing it to withstand impacts without cracking. The shell consists of three main layers. The outermost layer, known as the cuticle, is very thin and primarily made of organic material called conchyolin. The middle layer, called the horny layer, is made up of calcium carbonate crystals embedded in conchyolin, providing strength and hardness. The innermost layer, known as the nacre or pearl layer, is also composed of calcium carbonate and proteins. This layer is responsible for the shell's beautiful iridescent quality. As the abalone grows, the mantle continues to add new layers to the edge of the shell, causing it to expand outward in a spiral shape. However, growth is not constant throughout the year. It slows or even stops during harsh conditions, such as winter or spawning periods. This can be seen as growth lines on the shell, marking the different stages of development. In summary, the formation of abalone shells is a fascinating biological process. The mantle secretes calcium carbonate and proteins, layering these materials in a structured way that results in a strong and beautiful shell. This not only protects the abalone but also contributes to the marine environment as the shells break down over time, adding calcium carbonate to the ecosystem.